Long March 4A, LM-4A. The Long March 4A, LM-4A, Simplified Chinese, Chang Zheng 四号甲火箭, also known as the Chang Zheng 4A, CZ-4A, Chinese orbital carrier rocket was developed by the Shanghai Academy of Space Technology, SAST, starting in 1979, taking 10 years to complete. It was launched from Launch Area 7, LA-7, at the Taiyuan Satellite Launch Center, TSLC. LM-4's primary mission is to launch Sun-synchronous orbit, SSO, satellites, and various Earth observation, EO, application satellites. It can send a 1.6-ton, 3,527-pound satellite into a 900-kilometer-high, 559-mile-high sun-synchronous orbit and a 3.8-ton, 8,378-pound satellite into a 400-kilometer-high, 248.5-mile-high, 70-degree inclination low Earth orbit. Key features of this rocket include the addition of a conventional third stage, the use of ambient temperature propellants, increased thrust, and a longer propellant tank for the first stage engine, and a two-way swing control system for the third stage engine. On September 6, 1988, the Long March 4A, LM-4A, rocket successfully launched China's first experimental Fengyan-1A, FY-1A, meteorological satellite into a 901-kilometer-high, 560-mile-high, sun-synchronous orbit from the Taiyuan Satellite Launch Center. On its second and final flight, it launched another weather satellite, Fengyan-1B, FI-1B. A month after the launch of Fengyan-1B, the third stage of the Long March 4A launch vehicle exploded in an 895 by 880 kilometers, 556 by 547 miles, orbit, creating more than 100 pieces of space debris. This incident led to a redesign of the rocket to include a residual propellant venting system. A venting system was not included in the Long March 4A because of the concern that it would damage the satellite. The Long March 4A was replaced by a derivative, the Long March 4B, LM-4B, which first flew in 1999. The Long March 4B offers a more powerful third stage and a larger payload fairing.